everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy easel card using the Many Thanks kit. This kit is still available through the end of June, and it comes with stencils and the stamp set that has lots of different sentiments. Okay, so I'm going to use a used Cricut mat, and I got this idea from Julie at the Scrap Zone. Thank you, Julie. And I'm going to secure a piece of white daisy down on this used Cricut mat so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to lay my stencil over it. And part of my stencil is secured, but just to be sure it doesn't move at all, I'm taping it down with some purple tape. And then I'm going to blend some oxides over this stencil. It's a really pretty floral design. So I'm using some picked raspberry and some violet, and then I'll go in with some Villainous Potion to do some detail work. So I'm just blending some ink with the sponge applicators, and then I'm going in with a detailed blending brush with the darker colors and doing a little shadowing and more detailed coloring, just to give some more dimension to this floral image. So I'm just going in with full strength oxide because I want these to be bold and bright. I'm just going back and forth. I've sped this up super fast. So we'll do one more flower. So I'm going to pick up the stencil and then clean it off because I don't want any ink transferring anywhere else. And then I'm just going to position my stencil to add in another flower. And this time I'm going to go in with my brush because part of that stencil and opening is over part of the flower. And instead of creating a mask, I'm just going to go in with my detail brush and add some more color. Pretty quick and easy to make. You can use any colors you want. You can create a whole set of cards if you want with all different kinds of colors for your flowers. Great way to stretch your kit. So the kit comes with supplies to make 16 cards, 4 of each of 4 designs. So then I'm going to go in with the leaves stencil. It comes with 2 stencils. And then I'm just going to place this down and then secure it with purple tape. And then I'm going to go in with my detail blending brush. I got this set off of Amazon. They're very inexpensive, so you can get one brush for each color. And then I'm just going to color in the leaves, and we'll skip ahead in just a second. I'm going to add some detail with a darker green. Okay, so now that panel's all done, and this is how you create an easel card. So I've got some white daisy, and I'm going to trim this down to 4 1/4 by 11. And then I'm going to come in and score a line at 5 1/2 inches and at 2 3/4 inches. And then you just fold your card in half, and then you fold along that other score line. Okay. And there's your simple easel shape. Okay, so that's my card base, and it'll fit in a regular A2 envelope. And then I'm going to come in with some ballerina. This is the light side of ballerina with black ink, and I'm going to stamp my sentiments. So this set comes with a whole bunch of different sentiments to choose from, so you can pick whichever ones you like. So I'm going to put sending you on the front and then many thanks inside my card. So I'm just going to trim these down. And then the sending you, I'm going to trim down further and dovetail each end. Okay, so just snip vertically and then right corner, left corner trim that triangle out, and then you have your little dovetailed banner. Okay, so I decided I wanted a frame for my card front. So I've got these stitched rectangle frame dies, and I'm going to run it through with black cardstock, and then off camera I've done it 2 more times. So I have 3 layers of the frames. So this is one, and then off camera I've done 2 more and glued them together. So I'm going to glue this 3rd one on top, so it gives it some dimension and more substance. That makes the card a little sturdier. So I'll glue that together, and then I'll glue this frame to the front of my stenciled piece. I think it just makes it pop a little more. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my easel card base in, and then I've layered 3 more layers of cardstock underneath the manythanks so that it has some dimension. And then I'm putting glue just on this top portion that was folded at 2 3/4, and I'm going to add that bottom portion of my stenciled card front to it. So it's only secured just on the bottom half. And then I'll add my manythanks inside my card to act as a stopper so that your card can remain open. Like that. Okay. And then I'll just pop my sentiment on the front, my little banner, with some thin foam tape. And for the last finishing touch, I'm going to bring in some liquid pearls. This is in black onyx. And I'm going to add 3 dots of liquid pearls to the centers of the flowers. This is a self-leveling pearl product. So when you squeeze it out, you'll get round dots of pearls. And there's my finished card. I'll have some close-up shots in a second. You can see the dimension of the pearls there. So all these supplies are available in my online store, and I'll make a list with links in the description below. I appreciate you watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. I have quite a few in the library. And thanks for watching.